Your Excellency, sir.
You had a wonderful day.
Thank you very much. I hope it was good.
I'm delighted that prominent business representatives from Germany have accompanied me on this trip and are broadening their engagement in and around Nairobi. Their message is clear. We want to make better use of the opportunities of Kenya's economy.
I want to tell you that Tibet is at the heart of the transformation of our nation, and your contribution is significant in this area. As Government of Kenya, we appreciate the support of your government, and we promise that Kenya is going to leverage on the support we have from the people of Germany to make sure that more young people get skills and competencies